What you're about to see might be BYD's most beautiful sedan yet, the Seal 08. This is BYD Ocean Series' new flagship sedan. At last, April's Shanghai Auto Show, they unveiled a concept car, Ocean. It was absolutely stunning. That is the prototype for this Seal 08. Now standing here, looking at the real car, it truly feels like a one-to-one replica of the concept. So, it looks, especially from my angle here, still incredibly stunning and beautiful. As a flagship sedan, its size is naturally substantial. It is over 5.1 meters long, 5,150 millimeters, 2 meters wide. Wheelbase also exceeds 3 meters, 3,030 millimeters. So it is firmly a CC class vehicle. Its design style differs from previous Ocean series designs. The earlier Ocean series style used Ocean aesthetics, Ocean X, meaning its front face looked like an X shape, giving a younger, sportier vibe. This car adopts the Ocean aesthetics 2.0 design language. The biggest difference from before is it is much more minimal and clean. You can see this all over the car. For example, the front, it uses split headlights, daytime running lights on top, not the bold wide-eyed look from before. They're more elongated, but not squinty either. It uses a B-shaped design, giving a rounder, softer look. Below that are the main beams and fog lights with a hidden treatment on both sides. The interior is black around the headlights. There are some small details. A sparkling, glittering effect. Looks quite refined. Then, in the lower center, this grille is also finished in a blacked-out, hidden style. This one is the DMI. The pure electric might have a fully sealed front. Also, on both sides of the hood, two sharp character lines rise more prominently, emphasizing its muscular stance. Beyond that, there are no other design elements. The side profile is also very clean. First, there is no waistline in the middle. It is just a slightly curved, flat surface. The design is inspired by the sea's surface. Without a waistline cutting through, it makes the side view look more elegant, long, and low-slung. After all, it is over 5.1 meters long. It uses semi-flush door handles, and at the handle position, it is not the same material as the door. It is just a cavity. They added a different material inside. This makes it look clearly more upscale. You reach into this cavity, and on top, there is a mechanical style switch, a light press, and the door opens. The handle style resembles the Zunji S800. Right? This semi-flush handle design, compared to fully flush ones, offers better safety and reliability. Obviously, also, this car has soft closed doors. It even has zero-gravity seats, so the specs are quite high. The tire size is also quite large. The demo car we filmed has 19-inch tires, and they are Michelin. The exact size is 245/45 R19. Of course, this is just a demo car. The actual production tire model, including the wheel design, may see some changes. From this angle, you can see the front uses double wishbone, upper and lower arms, all in aluminum alloy, and you can also see the air springs. LiDAR on the roof means this setup is their Cloud Pilot A. So, the specs are quite high. Actually, a car looking good from the side depends heavily on proportions. This car's proportions are excellent. For example, wheel-to-height ratio is 2.1. Wheelbase to wheel ratio is 3.2, meaning the wheelbase spans 3.2 wheels in between, and width to height ratio is 1.3 because its height is actually quite low, just over 1.5 meters. These proportions are all golden ratios. So from the side, at a glance, it looks really beautiful. Since this car is quite long, it has rear wheel steering. The exact angle is unclear for now, but it will definitely shrink the turning radius, making it more agile to drive. The rear design is also very clean, especially the taillights. Logo in the center. On both sides, look strip like red lights, like two red ribbons. Also, like waves on the sea, fitting the ocean theme perfectly, right? Actually, there is more. If you look closely, these light waves have distinct layers, even 4 layers, because the taillight uses a lamination process. What is lamination? Simply put, it is like those glossy brochures we often see. After printing, an extra film is applied on top. That way, it looks both glossy and layered with a 3D effect. Same effect on the car's taillight. So the 3D look is very striking. This car is the first to use laminated taillights. These details instantly elevate its refinement and premium feel. Before, people said BYD's paint was pretty ordinary, just a few basic colors. But on this model, they put a lot of effort into the paint. It comes in several different colors, each one very beautiful. The one we shot is called liquid silver. It looks like a light gray or silver. Actually, under different lighting, the color shifts noticeably. It is really beautiful. Next to it is a coral red one. Under different light, its color also changes, so it looks stunning too. Today we only saw the exterior. The interior is still hidden, but it is already impressive enough. Meanwhile, we also see lots of advanced tech on this car, like the LiDAR on the roof. It is the Eye of Heaven B system. The front uses double wishbone suspension. It also has air springs. It uses the Yun-Pian system. Plus, it has rear wheel steering. Also, it will feature BYD's latest second Gen Blade battery and flash charging. That is the real highlight. Recently, I tested it myself. The flash charge speed of the new battery. It was -20 something in Harbin, frozen for 24 hours, then charged immediately. All 10 cars had the second Gen Blade battery. EV or plug-in hybrid, 20 to 97% took just about 11 minutes. Absolutely incredible. Also, compared to the previous gen, energy density is much higher. So, whether it is range or charging speed, it is a massive highlight. Maybe in a month or two, stunning looks plus all this tech. Definitely worth the wait.